Lean with it.
Right there. Yeah.
Charlie.
Hold him. Alright.
Alright. Happy birthday, Charles.
Happy birthday, Charles.
Happy birthday, Charles.
Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys giving me a little bit more of your time. Today we got a i35 Infinity 04 model. We putting rear struts in them, and this is a little something that you guys can pick up on. First, you got these bolts up here at the top, and then you got this one down here at the bottom. Okay, it looks like a 17 millimeter to break this nut here loose. Okay, then you got to go first. Let me back up. Safety. Jack stand. First, take your tire off. It's going to expose everything else for you. And then you have to come back here in the back and pull all your duct work back. Okay, see all your duct work? Back behind these metal brackets right here. Now these metal brackets, right here. You got a bolt here, and a bolt there, and all down through this right there, here. But what I found out is that I can just come right in here, right in this area here, and loosen my my two nuts up. See down there for the top of the strut. Yeah, just reach back there like I am with this light all in your way, and you can get a nut back there. Yeah, there we go. You get a nut back there. I mean a ratchet, 14 millimeter ratchet wrench works better. It's kind of tight, but you can still get it. Same thing for that side there, okay? And then you put your duct work back up here. Once you get the strut back in, spit it back up, put your seat back up, put the customer stuff back in the car, and put your tires back on. Now we're going to be doing the front struts, which is here. We're going to be doing them along with your sway bar links, which is there on the front side. So stay tuned for that. i35 04 Infinity rear strut removal and replacement. If you think this was helpful, it should have been. It was a short video, but anyone with some common decency and know how to turn a wrench or two can pull this job off. We've just been doing it for so long that we know a little bit about the ins and outs on them. Doesn't matter which model it is. You're always going to have to either take the back seat out or go through the trunk to get to your rear strut assembly, okay? And all the bolt sizes are not going to always be the same. So this one in this case was a 17 and a 14. Okay, those two sizes along with some extensions and some ratchet wrenches will get this job done. Okay, if you like this video, if you feel that it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. I need a thumbs up, man. And I also need a share. Till next time.